we gonna get up there?
I've got an idea. Follow me. Oh, Rolly, I see Kia. Kia! Bingo? Rolly?
Hey, guys, what were you doing on the side of a cliff?
Your paddle fell off Chloe's car, so we brought it back.
Oh, thank you, thank you, thank you! Can't believe we didn't notice it was gone. You know who's gonna be most excited to see it? Chloe, oh no! Chloe thinks I'm still in the carrier. Is that the river Chloe needs the paddle to paddle in? Yes! If she doesn't have it, she won't earn her badge. And she's worked so hard for it.
Then let's zip it to her. Ready?
Ready to zip!
So anyway, I says to Mabel, I says, when puppies fly.
Oh, what was I thinking?
We can still grab the paddle, but we need to skip the zipping and get to gliding. Follow us, Rolly. Remember, these hang gliders don't go very far, so we only get one chance to save the paddle.
Oh, shit!
You got this, Rolly.
My hang glider's falling too fast! I think I'm gonna miss the paddle! I think I'm too heavy! I'm too heavy! Oh, heavy, heavy handbook! May my throw be steady and true! Kia! Catch!
That is heavy. Great grab, Rolly.
You did it! There's Chloe! Thanks for your help, guys. Our puppy pleasure. Has anyone seen my paddle? Gotta get back to Chloe.
Kia, how did you get out of my backpack?
And you've got my paddle again. Guess you're as excited for me to earn my badge as I am.
I'm so happy Chloe has her paddle.
Yeah, I hope she earns her badge.
Me too.
Which is why moss typically grows on the north side of a tree.
Bingo, Rolly! Chloe and Kia are back.
Look at the new badge I earned.
I couldn't have done it without your help. Thanks, Kia.
Oh, I can't wait to show this to my dad. Looks like this wilderness mission is accomplished. High paddle.